To the next level.
Hi, hello everyone, this is Mr. M from Algebra class. In this session we are trying to explain, or we are trying to understand how to solve equations. Equation solving is kind of an art in mathematics. If you don't know some basic concept about mathematics, if you don't know some rules, if you don't know the way to get rid of from some items, it will be difficult, okay? But this explanation will definitely make the things more easier, okay? So we can start with one problem. So the very first problem I am trying to solve is 7w plus 2 equal to 3w plus 94. Okay, this is the question. So 7w plus 2 is equal to 3w plus 94. So what is the question? To solve. We need to solve. Solve means always it is asking to find what value of the variable. What is the variable here? The variable here is w. What value of this variable will satisfy both sides of the equal sign? That is what it is asking for. So when we are solving, when we are finding a solution for the variable, that variable will satisfy both sides of the equal sign, the equation or the statement. Okay, we actually now need to worry about what this variable, what this equation. Now we don't need to worry about those kind of stuff. So my only suggestion to solve or simplify these kind of statements is rearranging. Okay, rearranging. When you are rearranging an equation or a statement, try to keep the same items together. Okay, when you are trying to rearrange an equation, try to keep the same items together. That is the very important idea. You need to keep in mind. Okay, so I am trying to rearrange the items. So I am having a 7w here. I have another 3w here. While rearranging, just for convenience, keep an idea in mind. While rearranging, always try to keep the larger quantity in the same side itself and grab the smaller quantity with the larger one. So here 3w is the smaller quantity, so grab it into the left side because that is a smaller quantity. Okay, so then what will happen? So then what will happen is the equation will be now 7w. This is, see, when you are grabbing an item from one side of the equal sign to the other side, you need to change the sign. That means if it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. So 3w is coming to the left side, so minus 3w. Okay, and as I told you before, same items together. Here we have a 2, here we have a 94. So this 2 and 94 need to stay together. But 2 is positive. When this 2 is moving to the other side, it will become negative. So equal sign 94 minus 2. Okay, so the same thing I can explain like this. 7w plus 2 is equal to 3w plus 94. Instead of saying dragging this item to the other side, I would say eliminate. Eliminate, because 3w is dragging. So that 3w eliminate from both sides. So this is positive. So eliminating this, eliminating a positive item, we need to add a negative of the same item. Negative of the same item on both sides. See then what is happening? This is getting cancelled out. 7w minus 3w is 4w. 4w equal to 4w plus 2 equal to 94. So next, in the next step, what we will do here is we will eliminate this 2. So this is 4w is equal to 94 minus 2 is 92. Guys, now see to the left side. 7w minus 3w. What is 7w minus 3w? It is 4w. 4w is equal to 94 minus 2 is 92. See, in both cases we have a same statement as the final result, and it is not completed as the final result. See here what I told you to drag to the opposite side. Here I told you to eliminate. Both are making the same same meaning or same effect. Okay, so I'm trying to solve this equation. So eliminate 4 by divide both sides with 4. So 4 and 4 cancelled out. So next is you need to divide 92 and 4. So 92 divided by 4 is answer is it is 92. 4 times 2 is 8, and remainder is 1. 1 and 2 is 12. 3. So 23. So your answer is w is equal to 23. Okay, this is your solution. Actually, if you are actually writing an exam, you are done with the problem. But if you need to check whether this answer is right or not, what you need to do basically is you need to substitute this value of w in that particular equation. That will give you the right idea. Or when you are practicing problem, this is the best way. That means substitute the value of the final answer into the given equation or the given question. If it is satisfying both the left side and right side, you can say that it is right. And I will go ahead with a different question. Sometimes the questions for the students will ask like this: solve the formula. Okay, solve the formula. Solve the formula. Solve the formula for a variable. Okay, for a variable. We are actually trying to use a familiar equation. Area is equal to half BH. Okay, so solve the formula for the variable h. Okay, the same question they can ask in a different way. Make h as the subject of the formula. Okay, for the equation or for the formula a is equal to 1 by 2 bh. So this is also another kind of solving equation or another type of question in this part of solving equation or finding solution of an equation or a formula. So how can we solve this? So our question is a equal to 1 by 2 bh. Okay, so because I'm doing this problem, I will try this problem by rewriting this into, because we have a fraction here I'll rewrite this both sides as fractions. A by 1 equal to BH by 2. BH by 2. So now see, look on both sides. Both sides have a denominator and both sides have a numerator. So guys, now I need to go for further complications. What I will do is I will cross multiply. Okay, a times 2 is 2a. A times 2 is 2a. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay. 2a equal to 1 times bh is bh. So now see, we are actually out of the fractions. Okay, both sides have some real values. So what is our question? We need h as the subject of the formula, or we need some equation that will be in the form of h equal to something. So instead of saying that, I will say it is making h as the subject of the formula. So basically, if h need to be the subject of the formula, we need only that particular variable on one side of the equal sign, and the remaining should be on the other side. Okay, just for convenience, I am flipping this equation. BH is equal to 2a. That's good. Now what we need is, we need only h. We don't need other items. So I don't need this b, correct? So I need to cut this out. So basically what I will do is, I will cut h from both sides. Sorry, it is not h, it is b. It is b. Okay, I will cut h from both sides. Okay, so it is. I just need to move this up a little bit. Okay, so because I don't need this b here. Okay, divide by b. Okay, cancelled out. See, it is not making any difference, because if you are doing one operation on one side of the equal sign, you should do the same operation on the other side. Otherwise, the value of the given equation will change. So don't forget to do the operation on both ends. Okay, so bb got cancelled out, and h is equal to 2a by b. So this is actually generating another idea. What was the equation? A is equal to half bh. Area. What is this? This area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half bh, and we found that h is equal to 2a by b. So we can conclude this. This is actually kind of a problem for solving, but at this point I'm actually trying to explain this. Okay, area is half bh, and from that we found that h is equal to 2a by b. Guys, if you have the area and base of the triangle, definitely using this equation you can find out what is the height of the triangle. So if you have the area and the base, you can definitely find out the height of the triangle. So that is actually, this was actually not our objective. Our objective was to solve the equation. So guys, I hope you understand how to solve equation, or how to make one variable as the subject of the formula. So enjoy this lesson and wait for the next video.